J. Cole has surprised fans with the sudden release of a brand new EP, further fueling speculation about the final chapter of his music career. The project, titled Birthday Blizzard 26, arrived without advance notice and confirms long-standing rumors that the Fayetteville, North Carolina native has more music prepared beyond his upcoming album. Hosted by legendary mixtape DJ Clue, the EP features 4 high-energy freestyles released in celebration of Cole's 40th birthday on January 28th. The project draws heavily from the gritty, stripped-down sound of 1990s and early 2000s New York hip-hop, with Cole delivering focused lyricism over classic instrumentals that helped define the era. Among the beats reimagined on Birthday Blizzard 26 are the Notorious B.I.G.'s Who Shot Ya?, Diddy's Victory, and the LOX's Money, Power and Respect. While the EP highlights Cole's technical skill and sharp delivery, it also serves as a platform for reflection and commentary. On the opening track, Bronx Zoo Freestyle, the Dreamville founder addresses the backlash surrounding his public apology to Kendrick Lamar in 2024, following their brief lyrical exchange connected to Like That and 7-Minute Drill. Cole reflects on how the moment shifted public perception of his position in hip-hop, while suggesting that doubt often brings out his strongest performances. Another standout, Golden Goose Freestyle, turns attention toward broader issues within the music industry, rapping over an instrumental inspired by Black Rob and the LOX's Can I Live. Cole weighs in on artist ownership, industry power structures, and the pressures tied to commercial success. He also addresses controversial topics such as ghostwriting and artificial streaming numbers, questioning how online metrics sometimes fail to reflect real-world success, particularly when it comes to touring. Elsewhere on the EP, 99 Build Freestyle highlights Cole's continued support for his Dreamville scene, JID. The track includes praise for the Atlanta rapper following the release of his critically acclaimed and Grammy-nominated album God Does Like Ugly, reinforcing Cole's belief in JID's impact on hip-hop's current landscape. Birthday Blizzard 26 is available exclusively through J. Cole's official website, thefalloff.com, where fans can stream or download the project for a minimum price of $1. The surprise EP appears to serve as a lead-in to Cole's long-anticipated final album, The Falloff, which is scheduled for release on February 6. The countdown to The Falloff continues.